Is changing an RV faucet hard to do? I hope not. So obviously this faucet's seen better days, so I ordered a replacement online at Amazon. This was less than $20. This RV is a 99, it's a fifth wheel, and they're all pretty much the same from that era. So I'm going to take out the drawers and get better access to it and see what I have to deal with. Alright, now it's time for some tricky camera work. And this is looking up at it. And see if I can zoom in on that. Those are the connections right there. It's just a matter of undoing those and hooking it back up. Let's give it a try. First thing you want to do, turn the pump off. Get all the water pressure out.
Now to replace the faucet head that's not broken, you just unscrew the retaining ring or cap and pull straight up.
This is a retaining cap. This is the new faucet that I ordered from Amazon. Instructions. Looks fairly straightforward. Let's take the old one off, and that'll give us a good idea on how the new one goes in. There's this plastic retaining nut that has to come off, and you just repeat that procedure. Oh, on the other side. That was not fun! With the water supply lines off and both retaining nuts gone, this should pop right out. Alright, well, don't need that anymore. Take that out and give that a thorough cleaning. Yuck. Okay, so next I have to decide if I'm going to install the new fittings or leave the old ones in place. Now, personally, I'm just going to leave the old ones in place. I've inspected them, they look good to me, there's no cracks or rot or anything. And to be quite honest, it looks like it'd be a pain in the butt to take the old fittings off of the two water supply lines and then reinstall them. And since they're in good shape, I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm also going to reuse the old retaining nuts that go on here. Underneath, you put this into the sink, and then from underneath you install these retaining nuts, and then you install the water supply line. That's one. Alright. That feels pretty tight. Next, to hand tighten the water supply lines on. So I'm gonna have to take the camera out of here because I need to be able to get this in there and tighten those nuts that I just hand tightened. So
I know I showed disassembly with that wrench, but quite honestly, getting that shot was painful.
okay, the last thing you're gonna want to do is reinstall the faucet. Now this kind, you just push it in and screw it down. And just hand tighten it. Alright, moment of truth. Go over to the pump, turn it back on, and check for leaks. So let's go do that right now. Looks dry. And you'll want to go and actually feel around the connections and make sure you don't feel any water. All right, here we go. How about that? That was pretty simple. Again, if you decide to change out your faucet in your RV, you probably want to replace your fittings with the new ones that come in the box. I didn't because I was too lazy, but nothing leaks, and so far so good. If you liked the video or if it helped you out, please share it, like it, consider subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.